Today we talk about security issues and vulnerabilities and how you should approach them in your DevOps workflow. This is 3 Minutes Friday. Hi everybody, welcome back to CoderDave and welcome to a new episode of the 3 Minutes series. In each episode, I will try and explain a concept, showcase a product or service, or yet try and teach you something, and all in just 3 minutes. Short videos, big value, hopefully. Today we talk about security issues and vulnerabilities and how to approach and manage them in a DevOps context. And by the way, I apologize for my voice, it's quite low now, but I've been discussing and presenting the whole day, so I think my throat is abandoning me. Anyway, let's start the clock and get into it. Let's say your team or another team has identified a security issue or vulnerability in your application, system, or anything else. How to approach the remediation and when to work on those issues. First of all, and needless to say, if that issue is critical, like for example it could lead to information theft or to compromise sensitive data, you should fix it right away and deploy it as soon and as quick as possible. I think we can all agree on this. However, this is a scenario that should happen very rarely if you do security the right way. And by the way, I will have soon a video coming out about this topic, how to do security the right way in DevOps, so consider subscribing if you don't want to miss it. Let's focus instead on issues that are not critical. And of course, we should still work on them, right? So how to handle this additional work, if you will, when to work on that? Well, I hope this is not a surprise to you, but the best thing you can do is make them part of your normal workflow and on your day-to-day work. What does this mean? Well, simply put, it means you should plan for it in your sprints or iterations and have your team work on them as you do on all the other features, tasks, and stories. This is the key. Plan for it. Make it part of your daily work. Have everyone in your team take up some of the work on daily basis. If you leave the security work as a kind of extemporary work, what will inevitably happen is that you will increase your technical debt over time and your security exposure as well. If you instead make it part of your normal work, everyone in your team will get used to it over time and they will work on the security issues in a timely fashion. And final pro tip, don't do this only for security issues and vulnerabilities, but make it part also of your security improvement review. So over time, and actually in a very short time, you'll see your software and service get better and better. And we're done. Let's stop the clock. Hit the like button below if you've enjoyed this video or you find it insightful, so more and more people get to see this video and understand how to handle security issues properly in a DevOps context. Today was a very short episode, way shorter than the 3 minutes limit, but I think it was an important one, and I hope you understood better how to manage your security. As I said before, I will have a whole video coming up soon talking about how to do proper security in DevOps. So consider subscribing if you want to see that. And let me know in the comment section below what you think about the topic I've discussed today. And how you should approach... So, my think. Now, how do you... Issues that are not critical and make it park. But that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I see you in the next video here at CoderDave.